At a recent briefing with reporters, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had clarified on certain allegations made by Union Minister for Minority Affairs John Barla as to the inauguration of the centrally funded P A Sangma Stadium in the Garo Hills.
One, the signboards are not there for anything that has to say that this has been funded by Government of India, Government of Meghalaya. We have always, and in the public meeting also we announced that this has been funded by the Minority Affairs Department of Government of India. We have maintained this from day one. That's number one. Number two is that the project has two sections to it. First section is the football stadium, and the second section is an indoor stadium. The indoor stadium is yet to start, and hence only the first part, this football stadium, has been completed. It would have been inappropriate for us to call the central minister without finishing the second part. But since the first part had been completed, if you do not inaugurate it, it cannot be used. And hence, if it is not inaugurated and kept, it will get spoiled. And therefore, keeping in mind that the project was not fully completed in the sense that the second part, which the indoor stadium had not started, it was not appropriate for us to call the central minister. And hence, as Chief Minister of the state, I inaugurated it. And this happens in many programs. For example, today we are inaugurating JJM programs everywhere. But it's not possible for us to call the Honorable Minister for JJM from Center for Everything. So state, the Chief Minister and other ministers inaugurating. So there is no issue in this, and there's never been an issue in this. It's sad and unfortunate that the Honorable Minister has made this kind of observation and comment. It's very, very unfortunate, as I said. And it's also sad that certain leaders are raising this kind of an issue, especially when people are getting development. Looks like those leaders who have mentioned this, especially for the local leaders who have mentioned this, are people who don't want development to come to Tura, don't want development to come to Garo Hills, don't want development to come to Meghalaya, and that's why when they see development happening, they make this kind of negative comments. It's very unfortunate and very sad.